Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Glue Data Catalog for consistent metadata, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Glue Data Catalog for consistent metadata, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Glue service from the Services menu. Once in Glue, locate the Data Catalog option on the left-hand side panel. Click on Databases to create a new database for your metadata storage. Select Add Database and input a name for your new database. Include an optional description to clarify its purpose. After creating the database, navigate to the Tables section on the left panel. Click on Add Table to start the process of populating your metadata. Follow the prompts to define the data source for your table. You can choose between various data sources, such as Amazon S3, JDBC, or other data stores. Once you select a data source, input the necessary connection details. Continue by specifying the table structure, including column names and data types. Review the properties of your table and ensure everything is accurate. After confirming the details, click Finish to create the table. Now, navigate to Crawlers on the left menu to automate the metadata discovery process. Click on Add Crawler to create a new crawler. Provide a name for the crawler and assign a role that has the necessary permissions to access your data. Define the data store for this crawler, specifying the type and path of your data sources. Configure the crawler's frequency for updates. This can be set for hourly, daily, or weekly runs. Choose the database you created earlier as the destination for the crawler's output. Review all the settings and click Finish to create the crawler. Start the crawler by selecting it from the list and clicking Run Crawler. Monitor the crawler's progress in the Glue console to ensure it completes successfully. Once finished, navigate back to the data catalog to view the newly populated metadata. Check under Tables to see if the table metadata was successfully added. You now have an activated Glue data catalog that provides consistent metadata for your data lakes. Consider implementing additional features like versioning for enhanced data governance. Regularly review and update your Glue configurations to keep metadata consistent. With these steps, you can effectively utilize the Glue data catalog for your data management needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.